What's good everybody, is your boy David again and I'm back with another video today. So medyo ang tagal ko nawala sa YouTube, mga isang linggo, more than 1 week. I'm so lazy. Tapos may mga practices ako, rehearsals ako sa banda. Kasi ang dami namin naka-line up ngayon. Starting this weekend, punta kaming Davao. Basta marami kasi Kadayawan Festival, Higalay Festival, tapos meron pang Lanzones Festival. So, ang dami ng practices, rehearsal sa banda. So, kaya wala akong masyadong time to make long-form reaction videos. But today, talaga, before, may rehearsal nga kami ngayon 7 p.m. ng gabi. But, sabi ko, I need to make a video para may mapanood kayo. Kasi ang dami nang nagbe-message akin sa Instagram and sa Facebook. So, today, ito yung isa sa mga highly requested na mga fans ng Queendom. So ito yung showdown biriteras. Ito yung 3 powerful biriteras, si Marian, Jessica, and si Hannah Priscillas. So I hope na susuporta pa rin kayo, no? Kahit ngayon ako, lulubog lilitaw ako dito sa YouTube. But I'll try my best to keep up, okay? So anyway, let's go to the video. And by the way, yung Queendom performance na wala si Julie at saka si Rita ata, na pinalitan ni Zephanie para na proxy, hindi na siya available. So hindi ko ma-react. So hindi siya available. So if anyone meron pang link ng ibang naka screen record nung performance na yun, so please do comment it down below or i-forward nyo sa akin para magawa natin a reaction, okay? So yeah, let's jump right into the video and make sure na nakasubscribe kayo sa akin, and then follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Pasensya na din sa boses ko kasi nga sabi ko sa inyo may sakit ako, and may singaw din ako. Ewan ko ba? Anyway, let's go to the video. Let's start.
When you hold me in the street and you kiss me on the dance floor.
Galing ng pasok, ang linis.
I wish that it could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.
I did not expect that. Nag-octave higher siya.
Behind closed doors, every time I see you, I die a little more.
Dito talaga makikita mo yung difference, no? Yung distinct tone ni Jessica at ni Marian. Same powerful, pero alam mo yung soft tones nila magkaiba yung grano ng boses.
Showing moments that we steal as the curtain falls. It'll never be enough.
Ganda nung low notes ni Marian.
It's obvious you're meant for me. Every piece of you, it just fits perfectly. Every second, every thought, I'm in so deep. But
Isa rin sa gusto ko sa boses or technique ni Hannah, the way siya kumanta, is yung hagod. Lalo na sa mga vowel sounds, kung paano niya nilalaro, kung paano niya minomodulate yon.
never show it on my face.
Nice.
We know this. We got a love that is hopeless.
Ito kay Jessica to.
What can you
sige
hold
pa.
me in the street? What can I kiss you on a dance floor? I wish that it could be like that. What can we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.
Nice.
With her, do you call her?
In terms of vocal prowess, yung power ng vocals, pure, birit, I think the 3 of them parehas lang, no? Nagdidepende na lang yan sa kung sino yung trip mo na tone quality, kasi magkaiba. May manipis si Jessica, medyo manipis, di ba? Si Hannah medyo buo na manipis. Marian, kay Marian talaga yung para sa akin buong buo no? So depende na lang talaga yan sa fans, no? Kung sino yung trip nila dito.
Name like you do when you're with me. Does it feel the same? Would you leave if I was ready to settle
Ayan, no?
down? Or would you play it safe and stay? Girl, you know this. We got a love that is hopeless. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on a dance floor? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.
Nice.
Nobody knows I'm in love with so much, baby. I don't wanna hide us away. Wanna know the love I'm making. I'm living for that day. Someday. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you?
Nakita, ulitin natin ha, yung key change. Nakita niyo ba yung ano, yung grip, yung paano bumuelo si Jessica? Pakinggan niyo yung, tingnan niyo yung ano niya, yung body lang, kung paano niya hinugot yun. Tingnan niyo ha. Ito.
Why can't you hold me
Di ba? Grabe.
in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. Why can't I say
Grabe.
that I'm in love? I wanna shout it from the rooftop.
Galing nun. Ulitin nga, yung in love. Ito.
I'm in love. I wanna
In love. Binali pa kasi.
say that I'm in love. I wanna shout it from the rooftop. I wish that it could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.
What? Grabe naman yan. Ulit na. Ito. Allah. Grabe. Nice. Nice, nice. Woo. Powerful indeed. Galing. Alam nyo, dalawa yung, okay, importante yung emotions, importante yung naintindihan mo yung lyrics, kasi paano mo i-deliver or i-storytell yung isang kanta kung hindi mo siya naunawaan. No, yan yung mga X factor talaga, no, na hindi na ituturo. But in terms of the registers, napaka-importante yung mga placements, no, especially yung lower range, yung higher range, or like the key, no, mga notes, high notes, low notes. Kasi sa atin, no, when I was growing up, and mas na-emphasize kasi, no, sa music or sa pagkanta, mas na-emphasize kasi na kapag nakakabirit ka na mataas, magaling ka na, no. But dito sa kanta, kasi itong kantang to, it actually requires you to have that high register and also that low register na very stable and established. Kaya high register or low register is as impressive as, no, high register. So parehas lang talaga yan. If you have high register, okay, magaling ang bumirit. Pero pagka sa low register, medyo shaky ka, maapektuhan talaga yung performance mo. That's why biriteras like them, hindi lang dapat sila mag-focus sa mga birit or high notes, diba? So nakita naman natin na yung low notes talaga nila is also good, no? Stable, no? Established. So yan yung gusto ko dito sa sa Queendom. Kasi hindi lang sila sa mga high notes, but they're also good at, that very soft low notes na talagang established, no? Hindi siya, hindi pucho-pucho, no? Hindi lang dahil kesyo magaling bumirit, na disregard na yung mga low notes. So, yun yung gusto ko dito sa set of singers ng Queendom. Anyway, that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe. And God bless you all. Peace.